Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is the second video of my BBMA basics for beginners. So today I'll show you the BBMA life cycle, the basic cycle of the BBMA, which is really important when you apply confirmation on time frame 3, and everything is based on this basic knowledge. The video will be very short so you can understand this easily and try to look the same stuff, the same repeating stuff in the current market. So what is BBMA? Basically, BBMA is a combination of Bollinger Bands, as name suggests, Bollinger Bands and moving averages. Why we use this? We use this to identify market structure, momentum and correction of the market. Correction in a sense when it came down, when the market is trending and it retrace a bit until MA510 low or MA510 high, depending on the situation, buy or sell. It shows that it's correcting the market and then follow the main trend. So this is the basic BBMA cycle. Extreme, TPW. After the extreme, this is in order. Its sequence is important. If something is missing in between, like after the TPW, MHV is missing and CSAK happens, that's fine. But this order is really important. Extreme, if TPW is not there and directly MHV or CSAK, that's fine, because market doesn't move the same way every time. Sometimes it gives different structure, but this is the basic cycle which you will see most of the time, and this is really important to apply confirmation. So later on, when I will be sharing some possible setups, I will always say that this is the possible area where we can look for buy or sell and need to apply confirmation when the market approaches that level. These things are really important to apply confirmation. Let me show you quickly what are these terms and how to identify these terms. Extreme has 2-3 kinds, but for now just understand what is extreme, the basic extreme, because the topic said the basic BBMA cycle. So later on in my upcoming videos I will teach you about the other kind of extremes as well. I am on GBP USD. So here is the extreme. Let's check this thing. This is extreme when MA510 low, MA5 low goes outside low BB, or MA510 high goes outside top BB. See over here, this we call extreme. Which type, that comes later in advanced topic, but for now you need to understand what is extreme. This is extreme when MA5 logo outside low BB or top BB. This is extreme. What next? Next is TPW. TPW is after the extreme, market approaches to MA510 high. So it approaches MA510 high over here, which we call TPW. This one, it approaches over here. If I make it slightly bigger, so you can see it touches, and the next candle starts from here, which is like MLV point. It's not really clear, but if you see candle, one candle and another candle, because you need to go one by one candle, which is really important. TPW is this one. So after this extreme, whenever market approaches to this MA510 high, this area is our TPW. Sometimes market goes direct CSAK, form CSAK. Like I said before, it happens sometimes TPW direct CSAK, or sometimes no TPW or MHV direct CSAK. Sometimes it happens, so don't worry, you will see a lot of stuff in the market, especially when the Trump is holding the seat. So anyways, this is TPW, and you see over here market didn't break this MA510 low or low BB. So whenever market not able to break MA510 low or mid BB, this means market is losing volume. This is what we call MHV. MHV or MLV, market losing volume. After that, we need CSAK. What is CSAK? CSAK is a candlestick which breaks. This is CSAK, which breaks MA510 high and the mid BB. So until over here, this is not CSAK. This is CSAK. This marked candle, this is CSAK. Why? Because it breaks MA510 high, which is yellow and red, and the mid BB. So it, like, coincidentally EMA 50 is also there, but which make it more strong that EMA 50, this CSAK is really powerful at this time because it breaks everything, which means the trend is bullish now. This is the deciding candle, CSAK, candlestick direction. So it breaks everything, MA510 high and mid BB. After it breaks, the market comes to MA510 low for re-entry. So after the CSAK and MA510 low is the re-entry. Make sure you remember what is CSAK. It breaks MA510 high and mid BB is CSAK. After that, market come. So it doesn't matter. I mean, it's not mandatory that after the CSAK it kind of needs to come down. So price is trending. It can go up directly. Sometimes it won't give you entries. So that's fine. You don't need to rush. You need to be patient. When there is a good setup, you need to trade. So this is the same thing which I just explained you, the BBMA cycle. You will find time frame 3. Why I'm saying this time frame 3? I'm saying this time frame 3 because of kind of confirmation, because it's really important that we see this structure. This structure shows that the market direction is changing and our setup is valid. We can take the trade. I will share this PDF, read it carefully and try to find those things on your chart. Then you will understand what I'm trying to say. So I have already explained you extreme, TPY, MHV, CSAK, and then re-entry. Continuation is like it continues to trend the market to its main direction. I have explained the same thing. You can stop the video, or you can just, I will share the PDF as well, and you can read it. It's the same thing which I have just explained you. It's the same cycle for sell, and you will see these things everywhere. If you have any question, just write me down in the comment box. I will try to answer you. I usually use BBMA with Bystra because Bystra is really powerful. Bystra gives you the entry points, and BBMA gives you the direction, because it's really easy to understand the direction with the BBMA indicator. It's just an indicator, and it just indicates us that the direction is being changed. So I use normally BBMA for direction and confirmations, and entry points where potentially the market can come to is Bystra, which is S&D, SNR levels, bearish engulfing, bullish engulfing, drop base drop, rally base rally, support becomes resistance, blind spot, manipulation my favorite one. These topics will come later. The most important is to understand the basic cycle of BBMA. I have already explained you one by one. I don't want to make the video very long, so try to understand the basic BBMA cycle, and we'll discuss CSM signals and setups in our next video. Read this, it's really important. Trading is not a get rich quick scheme. If you are if your mindset is like that, then this is not for you, unfortunately. You need to think about some other stuff. You need to invest your time, invest your money on some other stuff, not in trading. Because it requires patience, discipline, and slow growth. If you are impatient, if you are not have self-control, then you will lose in this market. No matter how much money you have, you will lose. If you don't have the right knowledge, it doesn't matter if you are spending 10,000 or 50,000 or 100,000, you will lose at some point. Trading requires patience. Build slow, be disciplined, follow the rules. It doesn't matter which strategy you are following, you need to be very disciplined. This is it, guys, and I will see you on next video.